prepare everything. If you're here for the first time and you see this maybe as a recording, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, so you never lose a live session just like this one. Also, make sure you sign up for this broker. You find the link below the video. If you're tuning in right now, you find the link in the chat. You could probably just start with a demo account, but if you choose to go in very little money, make sure you use my link, because you also have a promo code Alpha1 that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Okay, so now just let me set up everything. Let me just sit a little more comfortable so we can make some good trades. So let's just set up the things. Will take probably 5 minutes or so, and but that's the time we're going to start, by the way. So just wait, I will set up everything here now. Let's see. I'm now setting up my cell phone so I can see the chat from YouTube. And we are live in Academy, we are live in YouTube, and very soon we are also live in Discord. I will get to that a little later. Just set up this first. So, and when you come into the live stream, you can present yourself. I now have the chat up. Now I'll set up so we have Discord. Looks like we are directly in with Discord. Let me see. I did not hang up from yesterday, as it looks like. Now let me see. Share my screen. Just like that. Or something that made a sound, and I'm not sure what that is. Let me see. Really not sure. Let me check myself also. No. Weird. Okay. Let's log in. Obviously, we need to remove some of these ones there. Oh, let's see. We're keeping just to the best ones. New Zealand, I don't think I have this one either. GBP/USD, that's what we have. New Zealand, this one we have. This one we have. This one we don't have. More we have, it's easier to get some good trades. I think there we are golden. Let me take off. I see a trade right at about here, in the bottom here. We go in there, we are in the first trade. So the first trade here, we'll go back and see it later. I'll keep it up here so you can follow. Here looks like we're retesting resistance because we just broke the support. I don't think I'll take it on the first try like that. Nope. We're not winning this one. Let's see. First day of the trade is a loser. Looks like he chose to break this support. Okay, that is okay. Let's take minus 100 here. I did not use much time on it, I just did see it and they take it right away. It's not always that work out in the best case scenario, but we do have another support down there. Let's mark it around there. I'll be interested. You can see now if you get down there, they'll take it. Now he's retesting the one we just broke just recently. Let's see. It's moving quite strongly. I will not wait forever. This bar opened like he almost was down here. That was a move that was lightning speed at least, because I did not see it. He'd go down to this region. Because if he did, I would have taken a trade. So sometimes the moves are so fast we don't even manage to blink. But that's completely okay. Radical, hey, and good morning. Nice to see you. I hope you did not take the first trade. I don't think anyone did take that trade. It was too fast. Now let's see. We do see a trend going downwards, but I think we have quite a lot of space still here, as you can see. So it's nothing dangerous still. We have a lot of space, especially as he recently did this big breakout here down here. I'm starting to be a little bored here now. If we don't get a trade soon, I will move on. Let's see. I think I move on. Takes too long time. Let's check here now. Here I see nothing. Now let me see down here. Looks quite nice. I'm taking here. We are in a little upwards trend also, so that is working with us currently. So a trade on this line would be quite decent. If we get there, that is. Up here also. I'm seeing that is a good area. So I think we can go for both. Let's see. I need to go at least up there. So I will not take both. If you go up there, down there, I will not take both. I'll take the first opportunity. Let's see which one there it will be. Right now looks like we're on the top, so I'm holding my mouse over there. Let's hope we can get a win here now, so start to turn things around. We got the first trade of the day is a loss. I hate to have the first trade of the day with a lose. Let's see, we can remove this so people can see better. Let's zoom in. I did not go in there, not there either. There I'm in. We got a good entry up there. As long as we don't break up now, that will be good. Let's move on. See if we can find more trades as we are in the minus at the start. Here I see nothing. Let's go to New Zealand dollar. This bottle here, not too decent. I think I skip it. Dollar against Swiss francs. Down here looks pretty nice. Let's mark that here. I would take a trade on there. Let's see if we can get on there that again. That is. Oh, he did shoot down. Oh yeah, this was one of these times where I say when you shoot past the line, you don't take it. I think we lost the one up here. Let me check. Hey, we won it. Was in out of the money, so nice to see that we can win one like that also. So I take it. Plus 78. Nice to see. We are not playing with this one. Let's move on. What can we see here? What can we see here? No, nothing. Nothing for now at least. This bar here broke a little. No, I think we skip this. And I think we skip this also. Be aware when I come into pairs, there will be like here some lines from before. So don't take trades on lines that these be from before, because I've been trading these other days and things that sometimes can be even from another week or month, because these lines stay forever till I remove them. So be aware that there might be lines, so I will tell you if you're going to take a trade or not, okay? Up here, I will say nothing. This still looks decent for me. I will move my line a little up. There, I take it there. Is there? In. Why I did that? He did. Okay, maybe I got a super good entry, but when I see him pass the line like this, typically I don't like to take a trade. But it looks like this time that was just a fake out. I did take the trade because he was leaning on this line. I was thinking like, wow, do I get a good entry? Of course I got a better entry, but I don't like when he moved past the line. So typically I would not have taken that trade, but hey, in that way, let's see. Typically when he breaks the line like this, he will continue downwards. So let's hope it's not the case this time. Let's bring it up so we can follow. But yes, looks like I'm winning that one. Okay, I take it. I take it. Typically, like I said, I was pushing when he was on the line, and then I got it even lower. So in a way, I got a better entry. But my rule is like this: when we break through the line, I rather don't take the trade. But in that case, when I push, he was on the line, so I did follow my own rule. I just got annoyed when I see he broke it. But okay, cool. 2 wins and 1 loser for now. I take that. And if someone is trading together with me, I would like to have update how you're doing. It's always nice to get some feedback for people that is following my trades. If you also are winning or not, that is important for me. That is very important for me, actually. So give me some feedback how you're doing. Oh, let's see here. We do have a trend upwards. So I'm aware of that. Do we consider taking trade up here then? It's a little small, the area to take a trade, I feel. So I think, I don't think I can do it because it's too small area. As you can see, if you zoom out, when I zoom in, it looks like it's bigger than it is. But if you zoom out, you see how small this area is. I don't think we can do that because we are getting to a squeeze here now, and probably will break to the upside or to the downside very fast. So for now, I think we skip this one there. Let's check dollar against Swiss francs. Let me zoom out to see if this is actually our area. Not super strong. We see that hold that. Okay, hold it here for the downside. Downside, here he broke up again. It's not super strong. I don't think I want to trade it. Let's see. I will bring up the chat. Let me see if someone is active in Discord. Just super fast. We can show the chat there. No activity there. Okay. Let me see if there are any activity in the chat for Academy. Evelina, for this broker, yes, they have many futures that are good for beginners, but I do not use any of them. Actually, yes, we use the cashback. That's something that obviously we use because every time we take a trade, we get some money back. But a rollover and all these type of things, no, I don't use it, and I'm not planning to use it. So in my live sessions, we don't plan of using any special things. So yeah, so that there you have that. Let's continue. This area up here, okay, have been strong. We have some decent lines up, so if we manage to get a trade maybe around here, I think we will not be that bad. Yeah, okay, we did go past a little, but let me just draw the trend line before I consider. Trend line is very steep. Let me see. Yeah, very steep trend line, but I think we have enough space at least for 1 or 2 minutes more. In these cases, most of the time he breaks to the downside actually. So I don't think he will break the upside here. When it's so steep like this, typically he breaks the downside. But I'm going to treat it as any other trend line, so I think, I know maybe he broke it already. Let's see, it can be like this one that is a fake out. He need to close the bar, and I don't consider it broken before he close outside, and then next bar close outside also. because many times also he break it and he go in again. So I need 2 bars to stay outside of it before I call it broken. So let's see. Now, as we have marked our area up here, been a little boring. We need to break this region here and this one here. Looks like you need to break a couple of not strong resistance, but never ever so it is. See, here we have one. Let's see. Come on now. Let's see if we can break it. So you can come up to our area up here. Once again, give me some updates if you're taking trades. Radical, are you still here? How have you been doing today? Let me know if you're taking trades. You're the only one I see that have written anything in the chat, so I know you have been taking trades in the past, so it would be nice to get the update. I always like the ones that follow my trades to tell me if they're winning or not. I did move my support line a little down so we get the spikes. This is still trending downwards, but we still have some good space, so I think down here. For now, it's the one that looks the best, so I will take a trade on there. Let's remove this. So if we come down there once again, I will take a trade. I'm a little worrisome that he will go all the way down here next time. As you see, we have a support down here also. We see the tendency that he go the steps down, you see. So a good entry would be nice to have. Maybe we now are getting a breakout. Let's see. It's really going up. Okay. Yeah. That is a problem sometimes. If you're getting a big delay, that is on your computer actually. Probably the next trade you will take also will have a delay. Just try to do a $1 bid now in the direction, like up for example here now, as you're in demo by the way. Check if you get a delay. If you get a delay, you should probably restart your computer, because that I had a big problems on that on some of my live sessions in the past, and it did not go away by itself. So what I started to do, I start to have a fresh computer ready for me every time I go into my live sessions, like today. So when I push, I don't have a delay. But yes, I did figure out it's my computer. I thought it was the broker first, but it's the computer actually. Yeah, okay. That is also something you can do. You can have your computer then to check the trade, but you can do the push of the button on your cell phone, and that will repair, of course, that problem. Yes. Okay, looks like we broke this trend line here now, so I can just remove it. Will I trade into here now? No. Right after a breakout trend, we will see some crazy movements often, so I will skip it. Now let's see. How are we in time, by the way? Let me check. 25, so we have a little more than the half left, so we have a lot of time to trade still. down here. Let me check. Sometimes I don't take a decision before I make the line, but this looks decent. I'll take a trade there. Let's see. If we can get down there again, that is. Let's see. I'm ready to go in. Looks like he was down, but I did not. That was like moving in the speed of light. Says that he was down here. I did not see that, but okay. For me, that was at least not a possibility. And I guess if you had clicked it here, you will get an entry up here. So, yeah. Let's see. In these cases, you need to get an entry when you push the button. So, thankfully for me, it's very fast today. So I'm ready. I really need a good entry here, I think. Let's see. We are ready. Okay. By the way, I did not get time to make my first cryptocurrency video on my new YouTube channel yesterday, but I'm planning to do that today. I'm starting my third YouTube channel. It will be all about cryptocurrency. There will be nothing else on that YouTube channel. It's a way for me to start to clean up my YouTube channel, so I keep them to specific type of things. So then it's easier for the ones that are just into crypto to have their just one place just for that. I don't think I will make a daily video with crypto, but at least 1-2 videos a week. That is something I think I will do. For binary option, you can see me daily, but it's also the place where we are making the most money. Cryptocurrency is more passive income. It's more fun for now, but of course in the long run we make a lot there also. Now we can see we probably have a trend going downwards here. Looks like it. So we are aware of that. We still have some space. Oh, binary option. Wow, that's a good question. I think I was one of the first that started with it. I think the first time ever I traded binary option. Wow, that must be like that's a very good question. I think maybe I'm lying when I said, but I think the first time I ever tried binary option, I think it was like 2000 and I don't know. I think it's almost 20 years ago. But then I had a much up and down with it. Take many breaks, started again, take breaks. But I would say at least the last 5 years at least I've been trading more or less daily. Forex long before that, of course, and then I also traded a lot of stocks before that. But yes, I've been trading binary option on and off a lot the last 10 years, of course. Like when I lived back in Norway, 10 years ago, I traded a lot binary option. But daily, I will say, last 5 years I've been trading quite a lot. But been on-off. But I've proven on YouTube. YouTube, I'm not so old YouTuber. I've been on YouTube since 2019, I think. I started then to show my trades then. But doing live just like this, so people can follow my trades, that is almost 2 years now. So been much on off, but I will say daily, every single day on live like this, that is 2 years at least. but on off I've done for many years. But I would say I've been a little more hobby in the past, maybe not with it. More like some of you guys that just go in with like $100, $200, trade a little, lose everything, things like that. Yes, I've been doing it for a very long time. But professional, I will say probably the last. I did professional like 10 years ago. Then I was also going in quite hard, and I did quite good and bad and all these type of things. And then now again, now really professional, at least when I did go live and started to make this series where I do live trading. So these 2 years, yes, I would say very professional at least. So yeah, little on off. Constant profitable, I would say that will be when I started this live series. I started with $100. I did everything live. So and I built it up to this amount. Yes, I had some losses through that time. I think I stopped the count after I passed 20. I think it's like 24 losses I have now over the pattern of 2 years. I did in the start also trade Saturdays, so I traded 6 times a week. I have now downgraded that maybe for the last half year. I've only traded Monday till Friday. So we are talking about maybe close, like between 400 and 500 winning sessions, and around 24, 25 losing. Between the winning, I will say there are sometimes I go in zero, of course. I basically just counted the losers, you can say. So, but obviously I have done quite good, but it's not like these YouTubers you see that is building account from $10 to 1 million in 5 minutes. It's not like that. This is really hard earned money, I will say, because you need to understand I trade 1 hour a day, and yes, I did trade 6 days a week before. So it have taken me quite a long time to get up to this number. Started with 100, but yes, this is 2 years actually. So, and to be quite fair, in the start, I traded harder amount. Now I have too much emotions. I want to keep it high. I'm actually quite happy with my income with just $100 trades. So yeah, not so much today. For example, you can see we have taken just 3 trades. We have 2 winners plus the $6 up here. So you can see today, for example, I just have $56. It's nothing to jump in joy for, but at least you're making profit. So, like I said, I wanted when I started this series when I'm trading live just like this, I wanted to show that it's not so easy. That I did manage to build it up so good, I'm happy for that, of course. But I wanted to show that it's not so easy that many. My plan actually was when I started my YouTube channel, so more to show how ridiculous some of the claims are. But then I was starting to trade and I see that it's actually possible to make constant profit. Constant, I will say I think I had 1 losing week. I did have that. I think I lost 3 times. That was a little before Christmas. I had a terrible week. I think that week, I think I lost like $600 just that 1 week. But the week after, I made it back in profit. But the thing is that I wanted to show that binary option is not super easy, but if you're constant, you can make profit. But like for example, with family members, if they ask me, I say, do not start to trade binary option, because I know, and I have seen many also that join my channel and they start to trade. And they do quite well when they're trading together with me. I'm not telling that I'm some type of monster here, but at least reason I am successful is because I stay constant, because I know I've been through everything. I have made big losses in Forex. I even blown accounts in the past. I've been through it all. And the thing is that I know myself that I can have 2 losing days, but I just stay constant. But the problem I see many of my followers I've had in the past, if they start to trade by themselves, they have a losing day, the next day they get emotions and they start to double up. Like I had a friend that was trading a lot with me before. He always said he did good when he traded with me, but then he started to trade by himself and he got very emotional and he blown his account by doing martingale. Martingale is basic that you lose one trade, you double up on the next, you double up, you double up, you take many trades for each bar. So when the bar starts to shoot up past there, you go in, you go in, you go in, and then you can basically blow your account in a couple of minutes. So yeah. So once again, binary option is not easy. Basically, 95% that are trading binary option, they are losing money. But it's this 5%, and I will not say it's even 5% that are making money. It's 5% that may be going zero. And then you have like maybe like 2% that are making money. Thankfully now I'm a part of this 2%, but does not mean that was an easy ride for me. Like I traded Forex, for example. I have told this story 1,000 times before, but I can do it again. I started to trade the dollar against Japanese yen. I have nightmares when I think about it. And that was actually just 2 years ago. And then I did take a trade. It was a short trade I did, and he just kept going. Every single day was a nightmare. I think I was in that trade for like 2 months, and he never did go down my way. And I think I lost like 80%. And do you know what? I had transferred all my income I had earned from binary option, and that was quite a lot, transferred over to Forex, and I basically did lose everything I had. That was just 2 years ago actually. Because then I got emotions and I started to go in. I was thinking, okay, that was a strong resistant area. I was thinking, no, will not break it. Then he broke it, and I think, okay, next he will go down. He never did go down. He just 2 months, and the time I chose to sell, and that is the funny sad part, the time I chose to like break my account, like 70-80% lost. Then he did go down, and if I just have holded it like 1 more week, I would have basically got my money back, at least going zero. So that is how it is sometimes. You need to be careful. That's why you see me, even with this number, 76,000, almost 77, I just trade $100 because I trade with zero emotions. I don't care if I'll have 5-6 losers in a row. I don't care because it's not something that breaks me. But if I start to trade with 2-3% of my balance, I start to trade with 1-2,000, trust me, I will have emotions, and me, like everyone else, I have emotions. You just need to figure out where your level of emotion is. So for you to trade without emotions, you need to figure out where it is. That for some people can be $1, for other people it can be cents, and for some of you might have zero emotions. I don't have it. You can maybe trade with $1,000, and you probably have a much bigger number than me now. Yeah, that's the thing. That's why people have to ask me often, do you use many of these futures? No, because it is too easy to start with martingale. I think is the worst thing you can do. So yeah. So that's a little, I know I babble a little much sometimes. Maybe I lost a couple of trading opportunities, but also it's I feel it's important for especially for new people. It's not so many live in these live sessions, but I know many are seeing a recording after. It's important, I think, that people don't think that it's just to start trading binary option and you will be a millionaire, because that's basically what most people that start with buying option think is that you will be a millionaire in a couple of months, and it's not so. Some can get lucky, but most of the people that get lucky then lose their money later. So it's not easy, but like I said, if you just stick, don't need to be my strategy. Like I did show the last 2 weeks, I did 2 other strategies that was not as good as this one. But still, if you stick with one strategy, you just play a little around with it, find yourself some rules, you can make money with it. But you need to stick with one rule of trading, keep to it, believe in it, and you can make profit with it. But will it be some of these YouTubers that show you that you will double your account, triple your account, quadruple, whatever? Yes, you can, but then you also have the risk of lose everything you have. So you need to choose which type of trader you want to be. If you want to be for the long run, or if you want to find a shortcut, because yes, of course, you can easily make $100 to $1,000 in a couple of minutes, but then it's basically then you can also bet your money in casino, I would say. So yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. I am not the type that like gambling. I never like that. I thought that in the past when I was trading, I thought buying option was gambling, but actually it's not. But for some of the ways of trading that you can see people do, especially on YouTube, it's gambling. Yes, they can be successful, but it's just, for me, it's a big joke because it's like casino. So you need to figure out a way that you can do trading properly. So yes, I am one. That's why maybe that's why I have so few views on some of my videos, because I trade boring. But the reality is that boring is what works for me, at least. So now talking about boring, it's a little boring here now. We have not got any trades for a little while. Let me see if you're interested in down here. Probably if you come down to the level we have here, let me see. I don't have time to make a line, but I think I'll take a trade there. Decent. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If that can play in our area, I'll bring it up here so you can follow it. Nothing here. Nothing here. Would be nice to get a winner here now, so we turn some profit. If we lose this one now, we are in a small loss. I don't like that. But for now, I say 10 seconds, so probably I'm losing this one. Let's see what's going on. Oh, okay, we lost that one. Okay. Okay, so you see, here you can see, for example, daily life for a trader. We have 2 wins, 2 losers. Today is one of these days where we are not doing so well. And that's the thing. Some people, when they see this, they think like, oh no, it's not a good day. Yeah, you'll have some days like this. That's the reality. Thankfully, it's long in between, but we are getting them. So, let's see here. Do you know what? 15-second trades on OTC pairs, if you take them, for example, on support resistance, I have actually been quite successful with the 15-second trade. I need to admit that. I have done a lot of that in the past. But I did start to see that when I do OTC with $100, I started to lose more than I won. So I moved away from OTC. But yes, OTC 15-second, it did work for a while for me. Now let's see here. We maybe have something here. Let's see. Wait a little. Do we have a trend going downwards? We have. Like that. But I think we can take it on this bar, if we can get down there again. Let's see. And it's very difficult to follow trades when you have just 15 seconds. So yes, you get a lot of trades, but I don't know. He did go past it, so no, let's skip this. Let's skip it. So for now we are minus $44. You can see a losing day if that's the last trade of the day. Let me check how much time we have. Now we have 50 minutes left. I think we'll get in 2-3 more trades. So, but like I said, a losing day does not mean that I'm losing a lot. You see we are minus 44. But we will not end there. We will get some more trades today. Just see if we get some good trading opportunities. That is. Up around here would be nice. They're very far away. Nope. Let me have a look. I want to see. Yeah, he broke it. I was expecting it. Do not take trades because I put a line, okay? I will tell if I'm going to trade an area. Sometimes I need to put a line so I can just see how it line up. GBP USD, which one was that? You mean, did you take a trade down here? Let me see this one first. Down here looks pretty darn nice. Let's see if you can get a trade down there. I will take it. Let's see. I don't have a small trend, I will say. Something like this. That's good. Yeah, no, that's the thing. When I go through, I make some plans and I move on, but does not mean, like you did now, does not mean that you need to move on. You can just wait for a trade. Typically, when I trade by myself, I have many windows. I can't have that in my live stream because I know some people can be on cell phone, some people can be on tablet or small laptops, and it will be so small that you can't see. But I have a huge screen, like almost like a television here, and I typically can have up like 8 windows, so I can sit and look. Because I do trade also by myself on another account. Then I have like many windows up. I withdraw money every Sunday, by the way, for the ones that wonder about that. And when I withdraw on Sunday, when I wake up, typically it says that I have been paid. So that's the speed I get paid. About this account, I'm planning to take up to 100,000. I think that will be pretty cool to think that I have taken it from $100 to 100,000, but it's taking a very long time. So I'm hoping this year, as I'm doing just $100 trades, hoping this year I can get it up to 100,000 by Christmas maybe. Then I will maybe withdraw like 80,000, I think, and keep the account maybe 90. Keep it at 10,000, something decent, so I can trade 100 without emotions again. I think that sounds like a good plan for myself. So, but let's see. I'm hoping that we can reach it this year. Like here, for example, now I will move on, but we have a very nice area down here. So for the ones that can follow this, keep following here. This pair is amazing. Here you can have many good trades down on this line here. So even though I continue, you can continue trading on this line. This is one I would be waiting, and I would follow on one of my screens if I was trading by myself. So yeah, super good line here that, for example, you Radical, you can trade if you want to. The one down here. Let's continue. So you see here once again, but I don't like when the trend is so tight. Here, for example, I don't trade it because you're getting a squeeze here now. You see he's still following this trend downwards. Maybe we can edit it a little like this, but it's too tight. This, I will not trade this. Now very soon he will either break the downside or upside. In this case, I actually think he will break down. Now let's see here. We have a line from before. Is there a reason for that? And this is for my other YouTube channel, by the way. I'm doing some mining on CryptoTab browser. It's a nice passive income. And that YouTube channel will be all about the passive income. It's not something super speed, but any penny I can make, like I have a bunch of cell phones here, mining also. Each is making maybe like between $1 up to $3 a month, but all adds up. Everything you do adds up. For me, I learned that you can be as big you want about making money. All these small numbers, they add up in the end. Because if you have enough small numbers, they get big also. Like here, it's a nice area. We see here also. So that's an area that I easily would follow and trade. But like now, for example, we are too far away. But if I had this extra screen up here, I would have taken trades here now. So this is another beautiful line that we can trade. So that's the thing, as I'm live, I can't follow these trades as I wanted if I have traded by myself. Currently we are actually in minus this live session. We are $44 in minus. Of course we get this $8 hereafter, so it'll be a little better. But yeah, I hope we can get in one more trade, so at least turn profit. But I need a good opportunity for that. For now, I don't see any. Let's see. Now we'll come back to some of these ones I've been following. Here, you see no trading opportunity. Which was also another one? Okay, let's see. Okay, it was this one, so let's move that one over there. Now I'll start to make a little list, so you get a higher opportunity for trades. So I'll start to follow just a few. Up here start to look decent, I need to admit. Let's see. If you get up there again, I'll take it. Yeah, you're in. Decent entry. Let's now follow these two here. It's out of the money, we can follow the trade. Looks like it's going in and out of the money right now. If we win this trade here, we at least are in profit. That would be sweet. Now let's see here. I really hope we can win here now. Let's go back to this one. What is going on here? Oh, okay. It's not even a hope. Like here, for example, some people here, they would now take 200 in, like That is something that we need to stay away from. So then we are actually minus 144. So today looks like we're going to have a losing session. I'm sorry for that, but that is something that will happen. We had many winners in a row now, so we are really, in order for us to get a losing session now, it's by time. It's not something I want, but it's something that is good that you all see that there will be losing sessions, and today might be one of them. Now when that is said, I think we still have time. No, we don't have time. It's 56. I think if we're lucky we can get in one more trade, but that will not change anything. We actually have a losing session today. We have made ourselves $10 with cashback up here. So that means we lost in this live session $134. I think that is actually good in a way, because there are always some new followers that follow me, and it's good for them to see that there are no such thing that we win every single time. Even though I have been done very good this start of the year, but still it's good that you can see that yes, we do lose also. So that, because there are always someone that start to follow me, they start to taking too hard trades on what I'm doing, and then they get angry after because they lost money. But now go in with small amount in each trade, because there will be days like this where we are actually losing also. So I think that is very important that you all see that we will have days like this. I will try to keep them as small as possible, of course, but I can't predict the future. This is a new year, but still, that's it for today. Thank you all for being part of the video, and thank you so much, Radical, for keeping me company in this live stream. I really appreciate it, and I hope I see you all tomorrow. Have an amazing day.